Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing you Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow Memory Foam Support Review. So, in this case, you might be wondering, what is the Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, the Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow is an ergonomic memory foam positioning pillow designed primarily to improve comfort, support, and body alignment during intimacy. Now, according to the official website here, the pillow uses a 27-degree angle design that elevates the hips to help reduce pressure on the lower back and improve positioning. Now, the company says it's intended for couples who want better support, less physical strain during intimate moments, while still looking like a regular bedroom pillow. Now, the pillow is made from high-density memory foam, which the manufacturer says is designed to maintain its shape without flattening during use. Now, like a standard pillow here, it's built to provide firm support and consistent elevation. Now, those are claims, according to them. Now, the official website also highlights a removable machine washable cover, discreet appearance, and multiple size options, including comfort, classic, and ultimate, each offering a different height and level of support. Now, using the Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow is quite simple. You just need to place it on the bed with the angled side facing upward, then position it beneath the hips or lower back, depending on the position and the level of support you want. Now, the elevated angle is designed to improve body alignment while helping reduce strain on the back, hips, and legs. Now, outside of intimacy here, the company also says it can be used as a support pillow while reading, stretching, relaxing, or recovering from after exercise here. So, the official website currently offers three versions here. You have comfort model is currently priced at around like $59.99. The classic model is around $99.99, and the ultimate model is around $129.99 before discounts. Now, the company frequently advertises promotional savings, ships from a US warehouse, and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're not satisfied with the product. And that's essentially what the Vireon Sweet Spot Pillow actually works, or what it is. So, Lacey, if you're interested in this product, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. If you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.